Horns up and welcome to a brand new episode of Headbangers Kitchen. We're disrupting the regular programming to bring you this special game day collaboration today. Yup, you heard that right. A couple of us YouTubers, keto YouTubers, are getting together and putting out game day recipes today, basically the 8th of October. There are many other keto folks involved in this. There's Keto Steve, there's Colourful Keto With Dori. I'll list all of them and their channels in the video description box below. So what am I making for game day? In fact, I don't even know what game it is because I live in India. But hey, good food is good food. And I'm making up a delicious Malai chicken wing. Oh yes, my friends, this is a cheesy, creamy and slightly spiced chicken wing. And it's going to be delicious. Anyway, enough jibber jabber, let's go and make it. So the first thing I'm going to do is take about 30 grams of processed Indian cheese and put it in a bowl. Now you can use any cheese that you like. You can use cheddar, you can use Monterey Jack in case you cannot find this processed Indian cheese. And then you just want to kind of mash it up a little bit. You want to almost make like a cheesy paste out of it. Once you've done that, you're going to add in about 50 grams of heavy whipping cream and you want to give it a little bit of a mix. You want to mash that cream and that cheese together to make like a creamy cheesy paste. Then into this I'm adding some ginger garlic paste, some salt for taste, some black pepper powder, some cardamom powder, some coriander, and then once again give it all a good mix. And this is our basic marinade for the chicken. Now I added a little more cream because I thought the marinade might be a little less than I require and the cream would help loosen it up a little bit as well. Anyway, give that all a good mix and then it's time to add in the chicken wings. And yep, then you got to give it all another good mix so that the wings are coated in all that marinade. Give it a really good mix, guys. Give it a mix like you mean it. You want every piece of chicken coated in that marinade. And then of course you're going to let this marinate for about an hour, maybe 2 hours, maybe 4 hours, maybe even overnight if that's possible for you. Anyway, let it marinate. Once the chicken is done marinating, I'm going to put it on a wire rack on a baking tray because we are going to bake these chicken wings in the oven. Now make sure you don't waste any of that marinade, so scoop it all up and put it on the chicken wings. So these are going to go into a preheated oven at 225 degrees Celsius for about 25 to 30 minutes till they are cooked fully. And after about 25 minutes, they are done and they look so good. Look at that lovely brown crust on the wings. Oh yeah! Anyway, serve them with some chutney or whatever dip you like and our Malai chicken wings are ready. Anyway, those wings look delicious. Time to taste. Alright folks, it's time to taste the Malai chicken wings and honestly, I could sit in front of a blank television and eat this, game or no game. And the funny thing is, I'm not even really a sports fan. But hey, any excuse to eat good food. Anyway, enough jibber jabber, let me dig into this delicious chicken wing. That just fell off the bone. Wow. Oh yeah. Amazing, I need to wipe my face. Sorry, I'm just making a mess eating the chicken wings. But this is delicious, guys. I mean, why wouldn't it be? It's a Malai chicken wing. Anyway, enough jibber jabber from me. I will see you on the next episode of Headbangers Kitchen. I hope you guys are going to make these. Anyway, I'll see you soon. Cheers and keep cooking. Hey folks, if you like chicken wings, I've got more chicken wing recipes. Check out my butter chicken wings. Check out my tandoori chicken wings. Also check out my garlic parmesan chicken wings. And if you have ideas for chicken wing recipes, let me know in the comments below. Because who doesn't love chicken wings? Oh yeah.